So as we said there, we've a little error here with our text box and what users can enter in that. So again, I'm going to put in demo Stevens. So demo stev at iol.aircom.net. Trying to pick up as many errors if I can, if any. Mail there. He's from Ireland. And basically, you know, demo could say something like, hi, to whom it concerns, I moved to Ireland 20 years ago. It is a beautiful country. The grass is green. The crack is 90. The crack is 90, and I love me pints. But what about you? Where are you from? So I moved into my house 10 years ago, and I got a security. Now, you get the picture here. I'm going on forever, and I can keep going and going and going. And, you know, just let's say he writes an absolute mammoth message, about 2,000 words, submit, click OK. So that comes in on the service side for us there. See how quick that came through? That was great. And the service side that comes through, look at this message, to whom concerns, move to Ireland. Like, we don't want to know about the grass is green and crack is 90 and all that kind of muck that he's putting in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to, in our HTML, we're going to put in a max length that somebody can put in here. So this little attribute, max length, and the value of it. So I'm just going to copy that, go down to my text area here. So text area, I think it's this fella here, the text area, and I'm going to put it in there before required. Max length is equal to, so I'm going to give someone maybe 50 characters, because I think that should be enough to let them know what they can do or what they can't do. So let's test that now and see if it works any better. Maybe 50 is even too much. So demo comes in again, and he is there. Demo Stev again. No one's got back to him. Maybe he's not happy with what's going on here. His mail, and so he's from what I say USA. So demo, hi there. I recently sent you a message to try to get you to help me. Basically, I moved into my house 10 years ago. I got a security system. So it looks like we've gone over 50 characters there. Search system from you, and I don't know, I keep going there, so that's not 50 characters. So look, we'll have to have a go at that again in the next video, but there's a problem there with that. Let me see if we can fix it.